perform the operations indicated. We have here division, we have power. So first we have to do always parentheses if we have next power, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We have power, so first we have to do here the power, next division. So we copy -2 division sign, and 1/3 to second power, it means that we have to multiply 1/3 2 times, because we have second power, so 2 times we multiply 1/3. This is equal -2, we can rewrite division sign, and 1/3 times 1/3. This is multiplication, fractions, so we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. We cannot reduce here anything. So 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 3 is 9. So this is equal. Now we have negative number, and when we don't have any sign, it's positive. Negative divide by positive, this is always negative. So we have negative sign. We have 2 divide by 1/9. So this is equal, negative sign we copy. We have fraction, so I change 2 to fraction also, so it will be 2/1. When we divide by 1, it doesn't change anything. We have still 2. We always put whole number over 1 when we have to make the fraction. Divide by 1/9. So this is equal, negative sign we copy. And now when we have division of fractions, first fraction we have to copy, change division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction, so it will be now 9/1. So this is equal, negative sign we copy. When we multiply fractions, we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, so it will be 2 times 9 is 18 over 1 times 1 is 1. 18 divided by 1, so it will be negative sign we copy, -18.